Hi friends, Michael from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to tap on guitar for beginners. So let me play this first pattern for you. This is part 2 of a series of tapping videos for beginners to advanced players, which I'll upload weekly. If there's anything you don't understand in this video, go back to part 1. All aspects of this technique are covered there. We looked at our left hand, how to position it, our right hand, how to read the tab, and the 3 different steps we use for tapping there. So if you're having problems with this video, go back to that first one. And as a bonus, at the end of this video, I'll show you a Billy Sheehan tapping pattern you can use on guitar. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Heaps of songs and lessons to come. If you're having any problems with this exercise, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So let's get into it. Now this pattern is the same as our previous pattern. We're in the key of E minor and we're just going to be building on it. I've got a bit of gain and delay on the guitar. Have your selection switch on your 5th position and your neck pickup. Our left and right hand placement is exactly the same as part 1, and we'll start with the same pattern we did in that. So doing our first tapping pattern the same as we did in part 1, tap on 17, pull off to 12, hammer onto 15, creating our 3 notes there 4 times. And 4. Now we leave our 3rd finger down on the 15. Now we're going to move up and tap on the 19. And we do this exactly the same way. As soon as I put the tap down, that's when I lift my 3rd finger up. So I tap down, lift my 3rd finger up, pull off back to 12, hammer onto 15. So tap on 19, 12, 15. So the pattern stays exactly the same. We still want to create those 3 sounds with our 3 steps. Tap on, pull off, hammer on. We've just now moved the tap to the 19th fret. So 17, 4 times there. As that finger's down, I move up, tap on and lift off at the same time, 4 times. Then I'm going to do the same again. While that finger's down, I'm going to do the tap on the 20th fret this time. When I tap down, I lift my 3rd finger off, tap down, pull off back to 12, hammer on 15. So our left hand's not moving at all. We're keeping it on the 12th fret and always doing the hammer on the 15th fret. This time we're tapping on the 20th fret, 4 times there. Then we just come back to the 19th fret. We do exactly the same again, 4 times. And then finish on the 17th fret there 4 times. So let's try that slowly now. Moving up. And again, 20th fret. Back to the 19th. And finishing on the 17th there. So let's try that up to speed now. So as always, just build your speed with that one. You can start a little bit slower. And as you're playing, try and build up your speed. Remember, as you get faster, the same with our first pattern, don't lose your pull off on the tap. We don't want to be just creating 2 sounds there. We don't want that. We want the pull off in there so we're getting 3 notes every single time. And you can also try that on different strings, on different frets. Again, I could come to my 9th fret on my G string with my 1st finger. I can be hammering on to the 12th fret. I can tap on 14, 16, and up to 17 there, exactly the same. And up to speed. Now once you feel you've got that down, try it with 2 taps on each fret. You have to move a little bit faster now, so up to 19, 20, back to 19. And when you feel comfortable with that, try it with one tap on each. And as always, try that on different strings as well. Just start slowly and build your speed up. So now let's try this Billy Sheehan tapping pattern that he does on bass, but we'll do it on the guitar obviously. This time we're going to be tapping on the same fret we're hammering onto. So now we're holding down the 12th fret still, we're tapping on the 15th fret, pulling off to the 12th, hammering down on the 15th. Now, we can't leave our finger there, obviously, on the 15th fret when we go to do the tap again. Soon as I lift it off, I do the tap. I don't want to pull it off, I just want to lift it straight up. So tap on, pull off, hammer on. Soon as I lift that up, I do the tap again. And you can build your speed up with that one there, and you can add that into your other tapping as well. So I thought that was a cool little lick there. Remember, try it on different frets, on different strings, and build your speed up. Now, if you have any problems, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Give us a like and subscribe for heaps of free songs and lessons to come. Now, if you would like step-by-step guitar lessons for beginners to advanced players and learn all the secrets to playing all your favourite songs and how to do all the techniques you'll ever need as a guitarist, also heaps of free lessons, click the link below and jump onto Essential Guitar Lessons. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon.